Yes, hello guys, welcome to another video of today. So in today's lesson I want to show you how to get a free internet connection on all SIM card and on all network. So this is what we have been doing, and here these are some SIM that we have here, and I'm going to turn. We can see the company, we can see the company, and I want us to look very carefully at this SIM card, the structure of the SIM. We can see these two SIM cards, they are of the same design, and these other two SIM cards, they are of the same design but from different company, but they have the same design. Why this other one down here, they have the same design? Yes, as I was saying, these two SIM cards are of the same company, and this other two, they have the same design of the SIM. You can look at the structure on the SIM card, but they are from different company. The same thing, looking at this one, they have the same structure, the same design, but they are from different companies. So, and we have to turn it, and we see that they are from a different company. So here in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get a free internet connection, free calls, and free SMS on any SIM card you lay your hand on. So in my video, I have been teaching you how to get a free internet connection by scratching the SIM card, and here this is the structure of the SIM card. So this is what is going to happen. So here, these are structure of SIM cards. In my last video, I lecture you on how to get a free internet connection on this SIM card, and I show you everything from start to the end, how to get the free internet connection, and I test it and you see it very well how it works. So here, this is the structure of this SIM card. On this SIM card we are talking here, this other SIM card we are looking at, this is the structure. I don't know if you can see it well. Yeah, so this SIM card, this is the structure, and this other SIM card, this other one, that is the structure. So this is how we are going to have a free internet connection on any of these. This is how we are going to have a free internet connection of any of this SIM. Looking at the SIM here, I have teach you people that when you take a SIM, know that this SIM has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 partition. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a SIM card with 6 partition, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5, 6, that is a 6 Jeep, and the one in the center here is the main Jeep. The same thing on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the one in the middle here, this is the main chip. This one control all of this other portion of the SIM. So any connection that you are to activate or do on your phone, it has to go to the main central chip, which is this one. So in my first video that I did more than 4 years ago, I used screwdriver to scratch the SIM, and that video, it was on old SIM card, but now SIM card are coming new and the technologies is changing every day. I've used what we call razor blade. I've used a razor blade like this one to scratch the SIM, because on all the SIM card we are going to using, this is the position that we are supposed to scratch on any SIM card that you lay your hand on. This is the position where we are supposed to scratch and get free internet connection. Even you take this other SIM card, this position here, this is the place where we have to scratch in order to have free internet connection. Okay, looking at the slot, looking here, this is the slot. This is the slot where we have to put our SIM card into it. And if we are to put the SIM card, in this phone, know that the SIM card, it has to enter. This is how the SIM card will be slotted into this phone. And the same SIM card, if you use this other company, that is the same thing. You will still have to slot the same phone into the same SIM card into this phone. Remember, this part here, there is this portion, this last pin here, the pin here, the pin will be the pin that will be connected to this first portion of the SIM card. So I just want you to take good note of this. There's this portion of the SIM that we are going to scratch. It is the one that is connected to this pin here. So now like this, so here at this SIM, as we are looking at this SIM, we are seeing cables connected to the main chip, So in my first video, when you scratch the SIM card, even you cut this wire, it will not affect the SIM. It will still give you free internet connection. But now if you scratch any SIM card and this line that is connected from this one, if you cut this portion, this line, the SIM card will be damaged and the SIM card will not read, and it will not give you free internet connection. It will not give you anything. So now what we are going to use to scratch the SIM card, we are not going to use this blade again or the screwdriver I used in my first video. We are going to use, because the blade here, the blade is very strong. It's strong. Whenever you want to scratch the SIM card, it will destroy this line here. So we are going to use an object that will not be able to disconnect this line that we are talking about. So here I'm using this SIM. This is the SIM that I'm going to scratch. The same thing that I did last time. So this is what I'm going to use today to scratch the SIM card. I'm just going to make sure I just wipe the yellow color. I just have to wipe it gently. So that is what I'm going to do in this video. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to scratch the SIM, and I have to do it very lightly. This is what I'm going to use. This one is very weak, and that is what I'm going to be using. So you can see I just have to use it and wipe the portion that I want to scratch on the SIM card. So this first portion here is the portion that I'm going to scratch. So this is how you want to scratch. You just have to, you're wiping just the yellow, you're wiping just the yellow color on the SIM card, and you don't have to use force, because if you use force you will destroy the link. You have to make sure you do it with care. Don't use force, because if you use force you will destroy this cable. So we have to take care of this line here not to destroy it. And we wipe out all the yellow. Right now you can see and right now we are done. All the yellow is gone. I don't know if you can see very well, but all the yellow I've done. So yeah, now on this SIM now, if I want to test it, if I want to test the SIM now, you will see that we will have free calls, free internet and free SMS on the SIM card. So whenever you want to scratch your SIM card, I will recommend you to use this type of blade. See, it's very soft. So this is the type of blade that if you use carefully, it will help you to have free calls, free internet and free SMS on any SIM card you lay your hand on it. So remember that this first portion of the SIM card is the portion that we have to scratch in order to get them free calls, free SMS and free internet. So yes, I've told you that we are scratching that portion here because this is the phone here, it will enter but here. So this pin here, this is the pin that will give us free calls and free internet, this pin here. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, you make sure you subscribe. If you are not sharing my video, I would recommend you to share my video so that I will be able to help you in person. I will be able to contact you whenever you have any difficulties. I will be able to attend to you in order to have a free course and free internet and on all the SIM cards. So guys, thank you. I want you to share the video, but if you have any doubt, I will put a video in the description link. That is my last video. You will go and follow that video, watch it from the beginning and to the end. You will see how I do it from the beginning and how I tested it and how I used the free course and free internet. So thank you for watching this video. Share it. I'm ready. I'm waiting for you to see a comment. I don't block any comment. Anything that you have to see, I want you to drop your comment. I'll get back to you. So thank you. See you in my next video.